G'day everyone, it's Wayne here, back again after probably about 5 months I think now since I've done a diecast video. Just hasn't worked out lately, but I picked up some stuff the other day and thought I would do it on video again. I have been getting some stuff and just cracking it open, and I just haven't been recording anything. Just sort of haven't been in the mood and that, but I'll get back into it. So let's get this started. Just some main lines here, things that I've picked up. So we'll get this organised. We've just got this quick bite. Okay, that was what have we got? 115 of 250. It was from Hot Wheels Art Cars. That was 7 of 10. That was E by the looks of it. It's got the E on the roof. In 2018 copyright date I think on that one. My eyes are getting bad, so gotta wear glasses now, so a bit hard to see the fine print, but it happens when you get a bit older. So we just got to deal with it. I didn't bring my glasses with me at the moment. Okay, getting to this next one here, which is a Mustang, a long card. Sort of been that long, I'm losing track on what's what and what things are called and when they were released and all that sort of stuff. This is a 2018 Ford Mustang GT. From Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. It was 2 of 10 and 92 of 250. And once again a 2018 copyright date. It's just a basic red, black stripes. Baller on the side, 78. I had to fix me turntable. It had been that long, wasn't working. There was a little elastic band that drove the turntable part, and that broke. So I found an elastic band in the house. It came from a train set that I got my son the other day. It's a little elastic bands which I thought were rubbish, but turns out I needed them. So turntable's working again. Okay, next on the list is this Honda. You better not throw that away. I've got to read things off it. This is a 2018 Honda Civic Type R. This is from the Honda series. 2 of 5 and 81 of 250. And again, this is probably the 2018 copyright date on that one. Other than that, all licensed Honda. That's about all I can tell you on that. She looks alright in black there with a bit of red, basic, but yeah, it looks good. It is better when they can do them basic because they can put the headlight and taillight details on them, which makes it a bit better. Okay, next one. It's a Mustang, Fox body. Alrighty, this one's another art cars. This is a 92 Ford Mustang from Hot Wheels Art Cars. This was 1 of 10 and 90 of 250. And again, a 2018 copyright date on that one. Licensed Ford product. And there everyone's going out there with the isolation. It's been about 3 weeks since I've been out of the house, so. Oh well, no, actually I went out once. That was to get this stuff here. But other than that, that's it. I haven't been out. Next up, another Honda. Okay, this one was an 88 Honda CRX. It's from the Honda series. 5 of 5, 123 of 250. And 2018 copyright date, and yeah, Honda licensed. Honda. So that's not too bad, just a plain white. The red and blue stripes. Got the taillight details there, CRX on it. And some indicators on the side and the rear, but nothing on the front. I'll zoom in there a little bit for you. Something like that. Yeah, so the self-isolation stuff is pretty serious. But it needs to happen to get rid of all this this virus. All those silly buggers out there eating bats and all sorts of shit they're not supposed to eat. Crazy Chinese. Alright, up, we're doing a Acura. Next. Okay, this one's a custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. Speed blur. Putting L's where they're not supposed to be. 2 of 5 and 97 of 250. And once again, 2018 copyright date. And official licensed product from Acura. So, bit of an odd colour, that one. It's sort of purple, but a mix of colours anyway. Mix of colours. I'll have to get back in the swing of doing some videos, I think. I reckon you guys will agree with me. I'm a bit flat at the moment, I guess. Alrighty, I got cut off there. My phone ran out of space. I wasn't paying attention to it. Okay, another one is Porsche. Okay, that's a Porsche God, not concentrating. Porsche 918 Spider from the Porsche series. That's 5 of 5 and 94 of 250. And 2018 copyright date on that one. And as far as I can see, it's not licensed. Now that's basic blue, sky blue. Some white wheels, white stripes, Porsche emblem at the front. Some headlight details. I don't think there's anything at the back. We'll find out in a second. No, just Hot Wheels. It's just got a couple of, I think. Not sure if I think it's. No, I think it's clear plastic. I think on the back there, as far as I can see. All right, next up we've got a Ford Ranger. Alright, it's a 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor. Hot Wheels Speed Graphics 3 of 10, 76 of 250. And licensed product for Ford and 2018 copyright date. That's Ford Performance. Dark tinted windows. No headlight detail, just all the graphics on the top and the sides. And that's gone. Self-ejecting mode. Okay, next up we've got a Range Rover. Most Ford Rangers eject their front CVs when they go off-road anyway. All the Ranger fanboys out there. Love them. Oh, they're tough. Yeah, as tough as a banana. Range Rover. Valet. God, never even heard of it. Hot Wheels Turbo. This is 3 of 5 and 119 of 250. And it's a Land Rover product. 2018 copyright date, and that is about all I can tell you with that one as well. But yeah, it looks all good in black. I don't like the car, but just colour combo. It's got some rear end detail on it. Rear and front, because that's all it's got, which I think it's the main thing. I'd rather that than stripes and everything all over it. Because you don't get a car from the factory with no tail lights and no headlights and no grille and anything like that. Okay, next up. Oh yeah, you can sort of see there. Just a little Alpine. There was another Alpine out, but I never bothered to get it. I don't know where to draw the line when I'm picking out cars. I just collect too much different stuff. Can't commit to one thing. Alpine A110 Cup. It's from Hot Wheels Race Day. It's 3 of 10. 80 of 250. (2018) copyright date. Other than that, don't know much about the car. I know that Alpine's been around for quite a while. That's an old car brand. We've had a reasonable amount, I think, of success in rally racing. As far as road cars, I don't know what they've sort of had. Okay, next up is a Aston Martin. Couple of Euro sports cars coming up. Okay, so Aston Martin Vulcan. Factory fresh, 6 of 10. 88 of 250. And licensed Aston Martin product, as far as I know. And 2018 a copyright date. And that is that. That's all I can tell you, but it's definitely a different looking car, that's for sure. I don't know much about it. I don't even think I've seen it in videos or shows or anything like that. It was just one to go in the Aston Martin collection. Okay, next up is an Audi. I've managed to pick up a couple of super treasure hunts in the last few months. Oh, yeah, probably be about 2 months. Collected a couple. Anyway, get back to what I'm doing here. Audi RS5 Coupe. This is from Hot Wheels Turbo. 2 of 5 and 118 of 250. And again, 2018 copyright date on that. It's got RS5 on the number plate there. Rear end details pretty good on that, and this one's also got the front, which so this looks real nice. I like that. Yeah, they've done a good job with that one. And then the other thing I've got is knocking the camera. I'll zoom out a little bit. Where are we? Out, idiot. Out. We are away. No. Yes, we are now, I think. Just the Mazda Repo. That was the Magnus Walker one. I leave that one carded at the moment because I collect Magnus Walker stuff. So I've just got to check to see if I've got another one there, and then I'll crack it open. And then the other one I've got's the Combi, the T1 panel bus. It's another Magnus Walker one. I'll leave that one carded because I'll wait until I've got another one, then I'll crack one open. But yeah, I collect everything from, or try and collect everything from Magnus Walker. like him as a person and what he's done, his interest in Porsche and things like that. His struggles in life, and then I'll crack this. Actually, I'll crack this open now. This is Nissan Silvia. Nice and heavy. Now I'll zoom in for you. So this is Formula Drift. I don't even know what else they're bringing out with that. I wouldn't have a clue. Don't know if it was a part of a set. I don't think it was, because it's got nothing on the back. As I said, I have not been paying attention to anything that's been happening in the diecast world. So I went to the shop, seen it on the peg, and liked it and got it. So that's all I know about it. So Nissan Silvia S15 and Formula Drift 2019 copyright date. So it's a licensed Nissan product, Formula Drift. So other than that, I know nothing about it. It was just another Nissan to the collection. So yeah. All right. Well, I'll end this video here. Let's go back out. All right. So we'll end this here. I'll do another video. Yeah, I'll do another video. I don't know what of. I might crack open those supers that I've got. And yeah, I've just got some Fast and Furious stuff there to show, but not necessarily to crack open yet. Yeah, so first video in 5 months or something. Yeah, I'll try and do some more, and we'll see how we go. But definitely got to get back in the mood. I was a bit flat and unorganised for this video, I think, compared to the other ones. I don't think the other ones were that organised, but I think I was a bit more happier. But anyway, we'll see you all later. Hope you're still watching to the end, and thank you. See you later.